Hello Tinkerers, we are jump to next second experiment, that is on off push switch with LED. So now add one adding component, one is switch. Switch is putting on the breadboard like that. You can see this. We can first putting push switch. Now we are take one jumper wire and inserting another leg to push switch to the one positive of the battery. We are next taking one resistor. In resistor no positive and negative are there, and now we are inserting one resistor. Now you see in switch another leg to vertical line, and resistor is always in vertical line in putting on the breadboard. Another leg inside is there, and now we are taking one LED light. LED in light, one longer leg is positive and the small leg is negative. So in resistor another leg are inside there, so LED positive to negative we can put inserting here and fix it. In vertical line we can inserting the LED positive, and LED is negative another leg to the inserting one jumper wire to the connect batteries negative. You can see that. Now we can take one battery and we connect positive to negative wire. Our experiment is ready. Now we can on off push button, so you can see the so thank you friends.